Do I have any appointments today?
Today at 12 p.m., lunch with Ted. At 7 p.m., dinner with Diana.
In-car entertainment systems have come a long way, and we can now get a fully functional Android car stereo system that offers best-in-class audio as well as a variety of Android features. Android or Apple car stereos are not the equivalent of putting Android or Apple tablets in a car. They have lots of inputs and outputs customized for working better in cars. Car stereos that have been modified technologically can reproduce sound with clarity in vocals and volume without distortion. As a result, you are aware of the untapped potential that the best car stereo system offers. Here are some of the best Android and Apple car stereo system that will give you the best of information and entertainment with great reliability and ease of use. Please like this video as this will make YouTube recommend it to more people that need the information that I will be sharing in this video.
The Halo 9 is a 9-inch screen on a single-DIN chassis. The screen is able to move up and down. It has 5 fixed positions. It has 4 different angles and has 2 different positions telescopically in and out. This allows this unit to be easily installed in many vehicles out there. Depending on where air vents are or certain things, the screen can go up and down. The screen is fixed, it's not motorized, it's not easily adjusted. This is a very solid unit once it is professionally installed in your vehicle. That makes sure it's going to live a long life, as the screen isn't going to be bouncing around and nothing is going to be jarred. The Halo 9 also supports the iData-Link Maestro. The Maestro allows the radio and the vehicle to communicate, much like factory radios do. So this way, when you install the Halo 9 into your vehicle, you're not going to lose your factory backup sensors or your backup camera. Check on their website, maestro.idatalink.com, and see if your vehicle is compatible with that. The Halo 9 also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So anybody is essentially covered. You plug in your phone to this unit, you'll be able to use it safely the right way. You'll be able to hit the microphone button and pop up Siri or the Google Assistant, and you're good to go. You can also add a few Alpine accessories to this thing to make it even better. The KAC001 accessory control is a relay pack that will allow you to use this radio to control any accessories you have on your vehicle, be it a winch, be it light bars, it could be, airbags. You can do many things with the KAC001 controller. You can also add the Alpine KCX C2600B camera selector to add up to 4 cameras to this unit. That way you can see what's directly in front of you, behind you, and to your sides. Alright, let's get this thing installed.
Kenwood Excelon DDX9907XR receiver epitomizes what the Excelon series is all about. In addition to its superior build quality and sweet audiophile sound package, this receiver offers the ability to connect 4 cameras, which can help integrate factory and aftermarket cameras. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide familiar smartphone interfaces on the large 6.75-inch high-definition touchscreen display, which can be customized to your preferences. Versatile Bluetooth, a built-in HD radio tuner, and high-res music capability help make for an infotainment system anyone would love to have at the helm of their vehicle. Simply talk to Siri or touch the receiver's display to get directions from Apple Maps, make phone calls, listen to voicemail, send and receive texts, and listen to music from Apple Music or your favorite third-party streaming services like Pandora and Spotify, all in a way that allows you to stay focused on the road. Also with Android Auto, this Kenwood's multimedia receiver combines an intuitive voice-controlled interface with a large touch screen and superior sound quality, making it the perfect complement for your in-car life.
have any appointments today?
Today at 12 p.m., lunch with Ted. At 7 p.m., dinner with Diana.
Where's the nearest coffee shop?
Here are addresses for coffee shop.
What is the weather like in San Diego?
It's 59 degrees and partly cloudy in San Diego.
Do I need an umbrella?
No, it isn't raining in San Diego.
Navigate to LAX.
Navigating to Los Angeles International Airport.
Play home.
Play Nova. Call Peggy Jordan.
Calling Peggy Jordan, mobile.
Hey Peggy, how was the meeting?
Hey Gary, how are you?
Here's the message. Hey, do you want to wet coffee later?
What time?
Here's your text to Gary Armstrong. What time? Do you want to send it?
Yes.
Sending message.
What time is sunset?
The sun will set at 4:46 p.m.
How far is it from here to the moon?
The moon is 238,900 miles from Earth.
What is the loneliest number?
The loneliest number is 1.
KWZ-1000W is compatible with iDataLink Maestro RR2. The RR2 provides seamless retention of factory safety and camera systems, steering wheel controls, and adds performance gauges in most modern vehicles. In addition, the RR2 provides 3 programmable outputs that can be used to activate things like a winch or a light bar from the receiver's on-screen controls. Radar detector information can also be displayed on the screen when used with a compatible K40 or Escort radar detector system. It has a 10.1-inch floating high-definition capacitive touchscreen display, Wi-Fi certified, manual tilt angle adjustment for better visibility, customizable display background and animated wallpaper. The large-screen 10.1 HD display is about 2.4 times higher resolution than the conventional WVGA panel. With this display, jagged edges are eliminated in the displayed image, providing sharp and vivid images. In addition, the color development increases, and the individual colors of the image become clear, so you can enjoy high-definition images. It is compatible with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, wireless or wired, hands-free calling and audio streaming with dual phone connection. Its JVC Streaming DJ feature allows music streaming and control from up to 5 paired smartphones. It is also compatible with Sirius XM satellite radio. The gesture control option available on ATOTO A6 allows users to access certain apps, skip tracks, adjust volume, or other quick actions easily with different hand gestures. The proficient operation can be done without keeping the eyes on the car stereo. It has dual Bluetooth chips and is connectable to more Bluetooth-based device and Qualcomm. The preamplifier IC applied to ATOTO A6 performs excellently in processing treble, middle and bass audio, and get a positive balance. It has reversing camera input for connection to any backup camera that has standard CVBS video signal out, and USB interfaces for connecting to USB on dash camera, 3G dongle, TPMS and more. Its built-in Easy Connect app allows users to cast what's displayed on phone to a ATOTO screen via USB or Wi-Fi. The front faceplate of its double-din base has dimension of 178mm by 100mm, and its 10.1 inches screen dimension is 252mm by 155mm. The 10.1 inches floating display part stands out from its double-din base, and it allows users to adjust height and view angle, up or down.